Hello one and hello all. Guess what? It is time for the first episode of Cooking with Cody. Today we're going to show you some chicken, basmati rice, and vegetables. Let's take a look. Shall we?
Here we have the ingredients. We have bell pepper, tomato, and onion, just to start. We also have basmati rice. And we also have some chicken. We added some sunflower oil here to this pot. So now we've added the vegetables. Now they are simmering. And we're now going to be adding a range of different spices. We have ground turmeric, paprika, table salt, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, and plow, a special Pakistani spice for the rice. Now we've added the spices. Take a look. Now we've added some chicken. Chicken is almost ready. Now it's time to add the rice. Now we've added the rice, and we have to add some water to it quickly so it doesn't burn. We've added the water, and take a look how cool it is. And now we put the lid on top to make sure that nothing gets out. It will simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. And while we wait for it to cook, I am going to show you my happy waiting dance. That is my happy waiting dance for the food to be done as I'm waiting. It's ready! And there it is on the plate, ready for the eating. Thank you for watching. By the way, if you want to keep bugs off of your food, just go like this. To keep away the bugs.